to express the habitual actions or the regular actions and repeated actions. To express such kinds of actions, we use simple present tense. For example, I write a letter. Mukesh goes to bed at 10 p.m. He always comes here on Monday. He takes tea without sugar. Such are the examples of simple present tense. Then present continuous tense. This present continuous tense can be called or identified as present progressive tense. When an action is going on at the time of speaking, to express such actions, we use present continuous tense. An action going on at the time of speaking. To express such actions, we use present continuous tense. इसकी रचना, the grammatical structure of this present continuous tense is subject plus am oblique is oblique are. So instead of am, is, are can be used. But when we have to use
Sir, disable the chat.
auxiliary verb, am, is, are, these are the auxiliary verbs. Am is used with the subject I. Am is only used with subject I. Then is used with the singular subject. He, she, it, gone, yes, and are is used plural subject. You, they, people. Then the verb is in its fourth form, writing. Simple subject, simple form or first form plus ing is called the V4, means it's a ing form. I am writing a letter. They are playing. The girls are playing Coco. Then Vinay is playing cricket. To express such actions, we use present continuous tense. Next is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate the action which is completed in the present time. So, structure of the present perfect is subject plus yav oblique has. Yav oblique has. Now, when to use yav and when to use has, it's important. Yav is used with I, though it is a singular, but yav is used with I. Yav is used with other plural subjects. For example, we have, you have, they have, students have. So have is used with plural subjects. There is an exceptional case. Though I is a singular, we have to use have. And when the subjects are singular, at that time, for the rest of the singular subjects, we have to use has. For example, he has, she has, it has, the boy has, in this way. So I have written a letter. I have just got a pen. He has gone to market. He has cut his finger. My daughter has eaten all the apples. He has come recently. She has gone to school. So when an action is completed in the present or just before the time of speaking, we use present perfect tense. Then next is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense.
It's more sad news after Mr. Irfan Khan.
When an action has started in the past but still it is going on in the present. For such actions, we use present perfect continuous tense. It's a structure. I have been writing a letter. First, subject, then have, oblique, has. As I have told you earlier, I के साथ have will always come with the I. Have will always come with the plural subject, and has is with singular subject, and he, she, it. Then 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 ing form of the verb writing, and then object a letter. I have been writing a letter. Yet when an action started, if we want to indicate that time, we can use since. And for the total period of action, we will use for. Now, she has been crying. I have been watering the plants. I have been watering the plants since morning, and I have been watering the plants for 2 hours. This total period of time is. Next, past tense. Past tense, an action which is done in the past time or at the past time. To indicate the action which has happened in the past, we use past tense. Now, past tense is divided again into 4 subtenses. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Now, simple past tense, इसको सामान्य भूतकाल कहते हैं. It is called as the simple past tense. किसी निश्चित समय में एकाधी घटना कंप्लीट होती है, when in a particular time action is completed. To express such actions, we use simple past tense. I wrote a letter. Now look at here the structure of simple past tense. I, subject. W-R-O-T-E, wrote. Wrote is the second form of write. W-R-I-T-E, write, first form. Wrote, W-R-O-T-E, wrote, second form. W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written, third form. Yes. W-R-O-T-E, wrote, second form, it is called the simple past tense form of the verb. Then object. For example, I wrote a letter. He went to Mumbai yesterday. She came to see me last night. The building was built in 1999. I bought 2 chocolates. To express such actions, we use simple past tense. Now, dear friends, W-R-O-T-E, wrote, is the second form of the verb, and third form of the verb we have seen in the present perfect tense, written, WRITTEN, written. So write, wrote, written. Present perfect tense, I have written a letter when an action is recently completed. But here, I wrote a letter, it has only connection with the past time. And present perfect tense has the connection with the past and present. So this is a simple past tense. I wrote a letter here. Second form of the verb wrote is used. Next, past continuous tense. I was writing a letter. Past continuous tense. Here the structure subject plus was oblique where. Now we have to remember, we have to be attentive at the time of solving our MCQs, when to use was and when to use where. Was is used with I, he, she, it or singular subject, and where is used with plural subject. For example, we were, you were, they were, boys were, children were. Now I was writing a letter and we were writing a letter. When actions were going on in the past time, to express such actions, we use past continuous tense. Some other examples are, I was writing this book, she was completing her homework, they were playing cricket, they were reading a book, we were playing. Then admit. Now past perfect tense. When an action is completed in the past time, to express such action, we use past perfect tense. Then past perfect tense. आपल्याला टाइम लिमिट दिले within just 15 periods we have to complete. आता हे जे कोर्स आहे आता टेन्स आता एक हफ्त्याचा. Now past perfect tense, I had written a letter. Structure I plus had is auxiliary verb, plus written, P3, past participle form of the verb written, and then object, a letter. I had written a letter. When an action is fully completed in the past time, to express such actions, we use past perfect tense. Other examples are, she had taken her dinner. They had played cricket yesterday. We had completed our homework 2 days before. So this was the past perfect tense. Then next is past perfect continuous tense. When an action was going on in the past time and it was continue till a particular time, to express such actions we use past perfect continuous tense. For example, I had been writing a letter. No matter whether the subject is singular or plural, we have to use here had. I had been writing a letter. She had been reading a novel. Structure subject plus had plus been plus before. Write, WRIT, write is first form, wrote is second form, written is third form, and writing is fourth form. So writing here is used for past perfect continuous tense. I had been writing a letter. Other examples, they had been watching TV yesterday. Sir, this. We had been talking on English in our class. So such are the past perfect continuous tense. My younger brother had been studying for his SPI entrance. So these are the past, these are the examples of past perfect continuous tense. Dear students, today we have completed the present tense and its subtenses. Present tense is used to indicate the present actions, and then according to their time, those actions are divided into simple present tense, I write a letter, present continuous tense, I am writing a letter, then present perfect tense, I have written a letter, and present perfect continuous tense, I have been writing a letter. And then we completed past tense. According to their time of action, those can be categorized into simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense, I wrote a letter. Past continuous tense, I was writing a letter. And past perfect tense, I had written a letter. And in past perfect continuous tense, I had been writing a letter. So next tense, that is simple, that is future tense, which is again classified into four subtenses: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense will be taken in our next session. Thank you. Doubts will be taken in your next session also.
Okay, bye friends. Try to join the group. Try to join from 10:30. Try to join from 10:30.